Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching. What I'm going to show you today is what happened to my watch. It was a quite nice, um, uh, what's the name of the Casio Edifice watch. It's a bit heavy, but it fell off my wrist and it hit the ground. But what happened here, it got a nick here on the side here. And then it will be difficult to put another glass on because it's a kind of a bend in here. So I decided to buy some of the cheap Chinese watch. This is the original inside of the watch. But what I don't like of this watch, you can see the background is dark and the letters, it is gray. It's kind of difficult to read during daylight. What is, you have to focus quite nicely, intensely, to see what the date time is. And then I opened this and I took this out, and then I found that this watch and this inside is more or less the same diameter, and as you would like it, it fits perfectly in here. Let me just open here in the back for you quickly. That's it. Now you can see what I did here. Let me just take this thing out here. There's the O-ring. What I did here is, you can see this little plate was actually loose inside, and then I just put a little blob of glue gun here, and then in the sides there's also a little space that I had to put in there to make it fit. It's a bit of a challenge sometimes just to get this thing in here. Then I can just go on this side, you can just line it up to 12 exactly. Need to line it up a little bit more. And there you can see is the watch inside a cheap Chinese casing, and I can reuse this one. Then you just go back, obviously, and you just put back your O-ring, and then there is this crystal in the back here. There is a small spring here, and just make sure you put it right around that you can have at least the alarms alarm still working, and the buttons, it is exactly in the same place, so I can use it and change the time whatever I like. And there's your watch. So from not too expensive Casio watch, this is a decent watch, to a cheap Chinese casing, and then you just put the inside in here and it's working. And then I don't need this thing because I can't seal it nicely. Then if this, normally what happened here, this thing's breaking and the plastic is cracking, then I just go buy me the same type of watch and I transfer the thing inside there again. Then I have another watch for another year or two. This is just for interest sake. If you like this video, give a thumbs up or maybe subscribe for next more nice videos. Thanks for watching and cheers.